How to delete RedNote account. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the RedNote app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your RedNote account. Once inside the account, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen, also said as Me icon. Then you will be navigated to the profile settings. Now, once in the profile settings, you can see settings icon available again right next to the edit profile. From here, scroll down and tap on the account settings option available there, or you can also find it at the top. Now inside account settings, scroll down till the bottom and you can see account cancellation option available there. Tap on the account cancellation. So, some of the content are in their original language, as in Chinese language. So, until and unless there is any further update available, all you have to do is tap on the checkbox and tap on the red highlight box again. Then from the options shown here, tap on the second option. Then again tap on the continue option available in the red highlight in Chinese language. Then again tap on the red highlighted text on your screen. Then your account will be deleted successfully. Then you will again have to create a RedNote account to log in. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.